In the 2009 Sierra 1500, this vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors. Inside you'll find OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, cloth upholstery, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.